Welcome back. In this video, we're going to make a fresh and undressed salad. The reason I call it that is because this is a fall salad and it has no dressing on it. The fruit is really all you need. So that's going to give it the nice sweet flavor, and then the nuts will add some fat to the salad. If you don't want a lot of fat in your salad, I personally like it. I find it very satiating, especially for cold winters. Then I use a bit more fat that time of the year, but if that's not what you want, just lower the amount of pistachios, okay? So what I have here is 1 clementine, about half a cup or even half of a pomegranate, a few mint leaves, and about 1/4 cup of pistachios. So what I'm going to do with the orange is I'm not going to peel it into sections, I'm actually going to slice it. So I'm just going to slice it this way, just for something a little bit different. And I've peeled it quite well, taking off a lot of that pith or the white around the orange. Okay, and then I'm just gonna decorate that a little bit there. A couple more pieces. And then we're just gonna sprinkle in the pomegranates. Love pomegranates. And then we're going to add in the pistachios. And I'm just going to give them a quick chop, just so that they're not so big, more bite-sized pieces. You don't have to do this step if you don't want to. I just personally kind of like it. And I don't like to scrape my knife against the cutting board because I find it dulls my knife quite a bit. So I just always use a metal scraper. And then here's the mint leaves. And once again, I'm just going to give those a chop. The mint is a nice, refreshing flavor in this salad. But you don't want to bite into a big leaf. There. And I'm just going to sprinkle that on top. There you go. Another meal made in just minutes. Your fresh and undressed salad. Enjoy.